Hello guys, merienda na ng Macau Imperial Tea at cappuccino ng mayo.
Natatawa sa isiniro.
Chocolate cake. Tara, let's eat.
Natatawa.
Macau Imperial Tea. Cappuccino flavor. Very tasty.
High blood.
Uy, hindi kasama.